I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my 52-week self-discovery journal. It's really hard in today's world to find time for self-exploration. That's why I purchased this journal. In my late 20s and as I was approaching my 30s, I still had a lot of unanswered questions about myself. So what I found with this journal is that it's more than just a blank notebook. It offers prompts, exercises, and inspirational quotes to help guide you. It also encourages you to think about deep questions and set meaningful goals and track your progress. So I love having this tool help me with self-awareness and personal growth. Journaling is such a powerful tool that should not be overlooked. If you want to set time aside each week to reflect, set intentions, and record your personal insights, this journal can be a source of inspiration to grow and transform over the year. And that's my point of view.